Holy mackerel, they're like coming out in herds.
Yeah.
How many are in here?
I don't know. Never counted them.
Oh, tons.
Tons, eh?
Tons. There we go. When they come for the food, get them.
Oh, he's right behind you.
Got him.
Yeah,
You got him. Yeah, attaboy. Woohoo! Bring him up. Bring him up on the sand, buddy.
Oh, it's stuck.
Hold him up.
Bringing him out because he's all twisted in there.
Yeah.
Hold him up.
Oh, it's his hand.
Where's his hand?
Right there, go.
Give him a kiss.
Yeah. Why not? You don't bake.
There we go.
How'd it go? Good job. What do you put him in the sand, Noah? Put him back here in the sand. Let him run into the water. Watch him walk down. He's dainty. Look at him go. Yeah.